If you're having trouble logging into RedNote app, you can follow some of these simple methods to fix logging problem in RedNote app. Hi everyone, it's me from GuideHub channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix login problem in RedNote app. First you can do is update the RedNote app. Update the app to the latest version from the Google Play Store. The second option is to clear app cache and data. Clearing the app's cache and data can also resolve the login problems. To do so, tap on the setting icon on your phone. Here you can see various setting options. Scroll down and tap on the Apps tab. Here on this page, search for the RedNote app. Tap on the RedNote app. Here you can see app information of RedNote app. Scroll down, then tap on Storage. Here on this page, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom of the page. Then tap on Clear Data. Note that clearing data will delete all app settings and data. This will log you out of the app, so you will need to log in back. Once you've cleared the cache and data, try logging in again. And lastly, you can reinstall the app from Google Play Store, which requires you to log in again. And that's it for this video. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.